How to use action verbs 100 sentences for beginners. Speak English daily. Do you understand English, but struggle to speak? You know words, but can't make sentences? The problem is simple. You are not using action verbs. Today, I will help you speak English using 100 simple action sentences. Just listen, repeat, and practice. In this lesson, you will learn what action verbs are, how to use them in daily life, 100 simple English sentences for beginners. Speak with me. What are action verbs? Action verbs are words that show action. Examples: eat, drink, walk, run, speak, read. Action equals something you do. Part 1, Daily Actions. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I open my eyes. I get out of bed. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I wear my clothes. I comb my hair. I drink water. I eat breakfast. Part 2, Home Activities. I clean my room. I make my bed. I cook food. I wash dishes. I watch TV. I sit on the sofa. I use my phone. I charge my phone. I close the door. I open the window. Part 3, Study and Work. I read a book. I write notes. I learn English. I practice speaking. I listen carefully. I ask questions. I answer questions. I solve problems. I type on my laptop. I send emails. Part 4, Outside Activities. I walk to the park. I run fast. I drive a car. I ride a bike. I buy food. I pay money. I meet my friend. I talk to people. I wait for the bus. I cross the road. Part 5, Communication. I speak English. I call my friend. I send a message. I reply quickly. I explain clearly. I understand you. I ask again. I repeat the sentence. I share ideas. I tell a story. Part 6, Feelings and Mind. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel excited. I think deeply. I remember things. I forget names. I believe you. I like this. I love learning. I enjoy music. Part 7, Daily Routine Advanced. I start my day early. I finish my work. I take a break. I drink coffee. I eat lunch. I continue working. I check my phone. I plan my day. I manage my time. I complete my tasks. Part 8, Social Actions. I greet people. I smile often. I help others. I thank people. I invite friends. I visit family. I join meetings. I attend events. I celebrate birthdays. I enjoy moments. Part 9, Health and Lifestyle. I exercise daily. I run in the morning. I drink water. I eat healthy food. I sleep early. I wake up fresh. I relax my mind. I breathe deeply. I stay active. I keep moving. Part 10, Future and Goals. I want to learn. I plan my future. I set goals. I work hard. I improve daily. I build confidence. I try again. I never give up. I achieve success. I grow every day. Practice section. Now repeat 5 sentences. I wake up early. I learn English daily. I speak confidently. I practice every day. I improve slowly. Challenge. Make 5 sentences using action verbs and write them in the comments. Action verbs are the key to speaking English. Start small. Practice daily. Speak confidently. Subscribe for more easy English lessons.